Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a voice call on Telegram desktop. If you want to call someone directly from your computer, Telegram makes the process very quick and simple. First, open Telegram desktop on your PC and sign in to your account. From the chat list, open the conversation with the person you want to call. Now look at the top right corner of the chat window and click the phone icon. A call window will appear on the screen. Here you'll see the contact's profile picture and call options. To start the voice call, click the green Start Call button. Telegram will begin calling the selected contact. You can let it ring for a few seconds while the call is connecting. During the call, Telegram will display call controls on the screen. You can manage the call and use the available controls if needed. If you want to end the call at any time, simply click the Cancel or End Call button. The call will disconnect immediately. Telegram voice calls are free over the internet and provide a secure way to communicate with friends, family, or colleagues from your computer. That's how you can make a voice call on Telegram desktop. It only takes a few clicks and is very easy to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram desktop tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.